Alright, I'm going to do a quick proof of concept here. See the engine's running. You can see here we have a rough readout of manifold pressure in inches mercury. And down here we have our display is refreshing quite fast. I have this limited so that you can sort of see this update. It can go faster, but I limited it. This is a little bit slow, but that is not because of the program that I made. That is just because of the way that the CANBUS reports it. These are just some samples. We got about 30 different sensors we can tap into at this time. You can see as I flip the throttle here, you can see the percentage go up. And yeah, I have a lot to show, but this is the gist of it. So this is actually an example of unit conversion working. This is normally in kPa. It can also do just pure PSI. This is currently the hybrid one, so once it hits boost, it would actually switch units to PSI instead of inches of mercury. Bar is also an option. This is also another example. This is normally lambda, so this is just simply multiplying by 14.7. I do have my idle a little bit leaner at 15, and so you can see it's maintaining that pretty well. And then we also have several different examples of decimal points. We have obviously 0 and then 2 and then 1. So depending on the unit and the sensor, I have it set so that it will default to something. Now, any of these displays are configurable with any sensor. I'll show that in a later video. Basically, you would do that through the Arduino IDE. It's just a USB serial device, and yeah, I mean so this is the CAN device that's working through SPI into here, same as these. So everything's working on the SPI. This goes off to a cable out there, which, as you can see, is actually plugged into the wideband unit, not into the auxiliary CAN port for the 2500. So you can use this with the 750 with a single port, or the 2500 or any other one. It just needs CAN access. So, yep, after many weeks of programming, debugging, optimizing, finally have a working product.